Today we are going to be learning a new sound. Now, I don't have Fred with me today, but I do have Bruce and he is here to help us with our sounds. Okay, are you ready? Listening ears. Magnetise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Poo at the zoo. This man has got a shovel and he's got a brush and he's got a little bucket that says poo on it. And he is heading to the elephants. I think he must be going to shovel up an awful lot of poo. Ugh. Let's listen to some words that have got the oo sound in it. T-oo. Two. Zoo. Mood. Full. Pull. Stool. Moon. Spoon. Well done. Let's have a look at our new sound. What have you noticed? That's right, we have got our special friends. And our special friends, we have got two O's together. And our two O's together make the oo sound. I like to remember this because the two O's look like a pair of eyes that are looking. Okay, let's have a go at some Fred talk, shall we? T-oo. Two, that's right. Z-oo. Zoo, well done. P-oo-l. Pull, fantastic. Sp-oo-n. Spoon, well done. Right, let's see if we can spot our new sound. Okay, Bruce is going to help me out here. Okay, remember we have got oo or poo at the zoo. Are we ready? Well done. Okay, let's have a go at doing some of our super speedy sounds. I have got lots of our sounds in here and I am going to hide our new oo sound. I'm going to give them a good old shuffle just in case you're having a little peek. Okay, are we ready? Remember, when you spot it with your magnet eyes, say oo, poo at the zoo. Are we ready? Well spotted. I'm going to hide it a little bit better this time. A good old shuffle. We're ready? Well done, super speedy sounds. Okay, I'm going to try it one more time. This time I'm going to go even speedier. Are you ready? Well done. You have now managed to spot your special friends. I'm going to write these special friends up on our board just so that you can remember them. Okay. Now, let's have a go at reading some new words using our special friends. Okay? So remember, we've got Fred talk, say the word. Let's see if we can spot our special friends though. Are we ready? Special friends. Ooh, Fred talk. Spoon, well done. Special friends. Shh, ooh, Fred talk. Shook. Special friends. Fred talk. Moon. Special friends. Fred talk. Zoo. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Cook. Fantastic. Okay, now we're going to have a look at some of the words, or some words which have got sounds that we have learned in it before, just to see if you can remember. So there's going to be no dots or dashes. Okay, so the words that I'm going to show you aren't going to have the dots or the dashes. It's going to be without, just to make it a little bit trickier. Are you ready? Okay, Fred talk, say the word. Special friends. Oh. Fred talk. Oh. Snow, well done. Special friends. Aye. Fred talk. Fright. Special friends. E. Fred talk. Feel. Special friends. Fred talk. Tray. Well done. Okay, I'm going to give these a little shuffle, and this time we are going to do Fred in our head. Are you ready? Bruce, are you ready? I think he is. Okay, let's go. Fred in your head. Tree. Well done. Fred in your head. Feel. Fred in your head. Fright. Fred in your head. Snow. Fantastic. I am so impressed by your super speedy reading today and remembering your new special friends. Now, the next thing that we are going to look at is our Fred finger spelling. So make sure that you are having a little practice of our OO words. You will see on Google Classroom I have uploaded a PowerPoint with all the OO words in it that you could be practicing. You can also practice on some dog spelling, and that will help you practicing your reading, so being able to spot the special friends in the words, and also using your Fred fingers as well if you want to practice writing them. Let me know how you get on. You can take a little video of you practicing on some dog, or even doing the PowerPoints on your computer or on your iPad or on your tablet, and I'm really looking forward to hearing about how you get on.